Ever been in a fender bender, or worse, and felt that pit in your stomach wondering, now what? Filing a Geico claim might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be today. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your claim started and your life back on track. You have 3 primary ways to file online: through the Geico mobile app, or by phone. Let's break it down. First, if you prefer the digital route, head to Geico's website, look for the claims link, you'll then follow the prompts. It might be under File a Claim or something similar. Filling out the online form will require pertinent details about your accident or incident. The mobile app offers a super convenient experience. Open the app, log in, and the claims section is usually front and center. This allows you to submit the claim right from the scene of the incident. In many cases, if technology isn't your thing, or you just prefer speaking to a real person, call Geico's claims hotline. They'll be there to guide you through the entire process, step by step. Regardless of which method you choose, you'll need to provide specific details. This includes your policy number, details about the accident, where, when, and how it happened, the other parties involved, and any supporting documentation like photos, a police report, and witness information. Be as detailed as possible. This ensures your claim is processed smoothly. So, what happens next? Geico will investigate the claim, assessing the damage and determining liability. This claim process is important to obtain repair funds for your vehicle to get you back on the road. This is where all the information comes into play. Filing a Geico claim doesn't have to be painful. Follow these steps, and you'll be one step closer to resolving the situation. Remember, get your claim settled.